video is about unboxing the super cool Cosmic Byte CB-EP-03 gaming earphones. Cosmic Bytes are known for their amazing products and budget range. That means anyone can afford it. As a student, I started my gaming career using their products and they never disappointed me. Let's talk about what's written on the box. It says it comes with the detachable mic, which is so cool. It has high quality speaker and secure ear cap, which is very nice, not bad. And it comes with 3 sizes of earbuds, which is small, medium and large. It is good for music, good for gaming, free adapter. It comes with free adapter and free pouch, which will be inside the box, of course. So पीछे warning लिखी है. Adjust headset to the proper volume. Very loud sound can damage your ears. For safety reason, do not use the product while riding or driving. क्योंकि ये गेमिंग ईयरफोन्स है, इसलिए ये सिर्फ गेमिंग के लिए अच्छे हैं. अगर आप इसे गाड़ी चलाते वक्त यूज़ करते हो तो इट्स नॉट सेफ, सो डोंट यूज़ इट लाइक दैट. So let's open up this product. So here is the PC jack, जो PC से हम इसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Detachable mic, जो कहा था उन्होंने. थ्री साइज ईयरबड, यहाँ पे टू साइजेस वाला है, इसका मतलब एक साइज ऑलरेडी लगी हुई है. Secure ear caps यहाँ पर. There's a guide. And a pouch. और ये रहा हमारे earphones. I like the design, it's so nice. Gaming वाला feel देती है. Not so heavy, very lightweighted. So nice. I like the texture on the wire, very nice. It looks so good. Red color is not my favorite, but it looks good. Oops. I'm sorry, I'm a mess. So तुम्हें बॉक्स के अंदर इतने ही प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे. डिटैचेबल माइक सिर्फ आपके लेफ्ट साइड वाले ईयरफोन्स पे ही लग सकता है. राइट साइड वाले ईयरफोन्स पे नहीं है इसका जैक. It looks so nice. I never used some product like this before. It's very cool. So I guess I like this product already because of this cute thing. So this is how the inline mic sounds, and this is how the detachable mic sounds like. So this is how it sounds like in PC.